In the blink of an eye, your whole world can change. I was traveling to work in the middle of a storm, and a truck was attempting to make a left turn on a 2-lane highway. Being stopped behind him, there was cars who couldn't come to a complete stop without breaking traction, so I pulled off to the shoulder. I remember hearing tires screeching, and then I turned to look out the window, and as I looked out the window, a bus came in contact with the rear end of my vehicle. Never in my life did I think something like this would have happened to me. This incident caused me to have back issues, caused me to be in pain. The traumatic brain injury affected my memory. I definitely struggled to do a lot of things I used to do prior. My mother, she could tell that I had some pretty severe trauma to my brain, and so she reached out to the Olson Personal Injury Firm on my behalf. When I initially signed with the Olson Personal Injury Firm, I was a little skeptical. I've never dealt with attorneys before, but they were there for me. They called to see if I was getting the treatment I needed and made recommendations on specialists to see. I felt like I was in good hands. The greatest part is that it hasn't felt like dealing with an attorney, but dealing with a friend who's had my back through the whole thing. It hasn't been about chasing the biggest dollar value for their case, but about getting the care and compensation that I needed. I highly recommend the Olson Personal Injury Firm to anyone dealing with a personal injury. They're real, they're caring, and they're very compassionate.